Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a static HTML site on S3, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy a static HTML site on Amazon S3, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Once you're logged in, navigate to the S3 service. Click on the Create Bucket button. Enter a unique name for your bucket following S3 naming conventions. Select the appropriate AWS region for your bucket. Uncheck the Block All Public Access option to allow public access to your site. Acknowledge the warning about public access. Continue to click through the options and finally, click on the Create Bucket button. Next, open your newly created bucket from the bucket list. Click on the Upload button to add your website files. You can drag and drop your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files here. Once your files are selected, click on the Upload button to start the upload process. After the upload is complete, click on the Properties tab of your bucket. Scroll down to find Static Website Hosting and click on it. Select the option for Enable to turn on static website hosting. You will need to specify your index document, typically index.html. If you have an error document, specify that as well. After filling in the necessary fields, click on Save Changes. Now you'll need to set permissions for your files. Click on the Permissions tab. Under Bucket Policy, click on Edit to add a policy. This policy will allow public read access to your files. You can use the following JSON policy, version, October 17, 2012, statement, SID, public read get object, effect. Click on Save once you've added the policy. Go back to the Properties tab and find the Static Website Hosting section again. Here you will see the endpoint URL for your static site. Copy this URL, as this is how visitors will access your site. Open the URL in a web browser to confirm that your site is now live. Your static HTML site is now successfully deployed on Amazon S3. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.